Please come in. Very good evening. Have a seat. Can I have your candidate slip?
Sorry, I forgot in the bag.
Can you please bring it? Okay, this is a reality test of International English Language Testing System powered by IDP to assess the level of the candidate. My name is Harinder and I'm here to conduct the speaking of candidate number 110947, name Pawanpreet Kaur. Okay, Pawan. What is your full name?
My name is Pawanpreet Kaur.
And how may I address you?
You may call me Pawan.
Okay, Pawan. Where are you from?
I belong to a village named as Shamashpur. It is nearby Amrut.
Amlo. What is your previous qualification?
Recently, I have done my senior secondary class from Sardar Dara Singh Memorial Senior Secondary School, Slana, with the 80%.
What is your major?
Sorry.
What is your major? What is your stream?
I have done my senior secondary in arts stream. I have the economics, political science and physical education.
Why did you choose that subject?
Because I am interested in them. I easily learn it and easily understand.
Okay, let's talk about farming. Have you ever indulged in farming?
No, being a student, I have not time to indulge in a farming, but I belong to a Sikh family, so I have a little knowledge about farming.
What kind of farms would you like to visit? What kind of farms would you like to visit?
Usually, in my town people grow wheat and rice. So I usually go it for to know about how it grows.
Is farming an important occupation in your country?
Yes, of course. Every people have the need of food to survive. So I think it is important for everyone.
Do people engage in farming in your hometown?
Sorry.
Do people engage in farming in your hometown?
Yes, as I told you earlier, I belong to a village. Here is one occupation that is farming. So, most of the people of my town indulge in farming.
Okay, this is the end of part 1. Now for part 2, here is a card with some questions. You'll have a minute to look at the question and you need to speak for 2 minutes on the topic of the card. If you wish, you can use this notepad and pencil to make some notes. And then your card is describe a plan you have for the future, not related to work or study. What is it? When did you plan for it? How did you think you can achieve it? Explain why you want to do this. You can start.
Being a student, I have a number of dreams, but one of them I want to go abroad. It is my dream, and I want to go Canada. I Canada because they are my relatives are living since 5 years ago, and I planned it when I passed my 10th standard, because after because my relatives say me, you have to do it and living with them. So I wanted to achieve my goal. I have to clear a paper, that is IELTS. It is must be cleared. That's why I want to. That's why I go abroad. No doubt, I love my country, but in Canada there are number of facilities and employment, which is very useful for me, as well as my relatives told me that when you hard work here, you earn more money. So I think so if I earn more money, then I buy that things which I want, without thinking that it is expensive or not.
Now I have to stop you here. Okay, because your time is up. Can I take it back? Okay. Now I'm going to ask you a few more questions. Now let's discuss about future aspects. Which is better, having a lot of plans or having no plans at all?
I think future planning is important for everyone's life to become successful in their life. So I think people should plan their dreams or aims in early age. That's why they become more successful in their life.
Why do most people make plans before they go for travel?
If people plan things before traveling, they easily they not face any difficulty during a travel. They have their own necessities, which is useful during a travel.
Do you think planning helps us to be prepared for unseen troubles?
I think if people planned early about the situation or about any crisis, so they can easily solve it.
Do you think planning helps us to be prepared for unseen troubles?
Well, the future is unpredicted, so I don't think that crisis which we don't know, we do the planning for it in early age. So there are some situations where a plan is not useful.
What do you think people do when they face unpredictable issues? What do you think people do when they face unpredictable issues?
I think people have a confidence that they solve that crisis easily, and don't get frustrated when to see a crisis.
That is the end of speaking test. Thank you.
हाँ मैं भेज दी
कितने के स्टूडेंट हैं?
तो कम मिक्स जो चली है कम करना नवा शहर से कुछ भी स्टूडेंट रह गए बस जो बला चाह करना
मेरे को तो एक भी चाहिए स्टूडेंट है सारे डब्बे
हाँ जी मैं भेज दूँ